Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hey everybody, this is John Carter with Absolute Wealth. I want to show you a couple things today. If you look at the headlines, you're going to see the Dow made new highs again today. S&P is doing fine. But the transports, which actually led this market higher, are rolling over here a little bit. We actually closed below the 21 period moving average, came down to the 34. In my experience, if we actually get closed below the 34, we've got a reversal on our hands. And if the transports roll over and die, guess what? The stock market won't last. Also, if you look at the RUT, which is the Russell 2000, same thing. It actually has broken its uptrend. So, on the surface, well, if you look at the headlines, on the headlines, all the news, all they do is talk about the Dow. The Dow looks great. The Dow made new highs today. It looks fantastic. But we're starting to see some actually, not minor chinks in the armor, but some major chinks in the armor. So what are some ways as a trader to benefit from this? Well, I would look at doing something like this. You can say, here's IWM. This is an ETF on the Russell. And as a way to protect yourself, if this market really is going to roll over and die, you can buy some put options on IWM that are out in May. And that way, if this market, if what we're seeing in the transports and what we're seeing in the Russell actually bleeds into the rest of the market, then you're covered and you're not sitting there well after the fact going, gosh, I can't believe I missed this. All right, so that's kind of a big sign there. And there's a couple of key stocks here like Netflix today, which has been really strong. That rolled over and died. You've got Caterpillar and a couple of those big mining supplier companies. Those have been having a tough time. Goldman Sachs is another one. Goldman Sachs actually was a market leader and led the market higher, and it was actually rallying before the rest of the market. And you can see Goldman Sachs here also having an issue. Now, it was up 53 cents today, but you can see that over the course of the last week and a half or so, it continues to trend down, and I'm looking for this to hit 140 bucks. Okay. And finally, SLV silver. So this has been setting up a squeeze for some time. This lined up on all cylinders. You've got the squeeze, you've got the waves here that are below zero, you've got consolidation, and that's the perfect time to buy in the money puts, or you can just short SLV, or if you've got longs, at least hedge your bullion. And that's a big thing that I'll always do is because I'm a big believer in owning physical bullion, both silver and gold, but anytime I see signals like this, I can actually hedge. Instead of running to the bank and digging everything out of the safety deposit box and selling it, all I got to do is hedge it. And so that way what happens is you lock in higher prices. You're not so worried about the price fluctuations. Okay? Hope that helps. You guys have a good trading day, and we'll see you at the next update.